How to add payment method on Google Ads. Really easy and simple. So what you want to do is this, okay? Go ahead and click on your billing settings, okay? So this is what you do. Come here, click on the settings and tools, click on settings, and then you basically go to the billing section, and then you need to complete your billing info and payment method. So you come here under payment method, and then you add either a credit or debit card or a bank account. So if you're using credit or debit card, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and enter your, card number, your expiration date, and CVV code. And if you're adding your bank account, you need to add your, SWIFT code, your bank account number, your address, zip code, things like that. And then just go ahead and click on submit. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.